tutorial section of these live trades. Okay, so I want to take time to answer the question that was asked me, that what are the steps to consider before taking the trades. Okay, and then what are the things you need to consider, right, before you even cancel the trade or things like that. So I'll take it bit by bit so that we all understand. So let me go back into this is the spot trading section, right? So the reason why I tend to use the spot trading section more than the convert is because most of the pairs are in the spot trading section. Okay, so most times when you go to convert, you may not see these pairs happen, or you may not see these pairs, appear the way they appear in spot trading. Now, of course, you should realize that in the spot trading section here, you're going to be charged 0.1% on any trade, and if you're using BNB as your trading fees, you will be charged less, like 25% less. You'll be charged 0.075, something like that, and you'll be charged less. Now, the reason why I tend to prefer to use the same currency in which I am, doing the trades in, is because it just makes it simpler to, categorize and look at the deduct all the fees and all of that, right? So that's why I choose to use the same currency. So if I'm doing BTC USDT, I would allow it to be charged in BTC rather than maybe charging BNB, something like that, just for ease of calculations. That's the reason why I do that. Anyway, so this is the spot trading section, and of course on the right hand side here we've got the order book, right? This order book is very important. You need to take note of the order book because these are the real prices. Now you may see the price in the center here, and that's the 366. That's changing to 366.40. That's like the ask price, but the real price when you're trying to make a trade are the prices that are listed in either the red section or the green section. So for instance, when we're trying to make take a spot trading trade, is that not tautology? Anyways, I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. When you're trying to place a trade in spot trading, you need to consider this, what I call it now, the submissions in the order book, because these are the live submissions in the order book. Now, if you want to buy, right, if you want to make a purchase of that particular pair, you got to look at the first red, because really if you want to buy instantly, because I know people keep on asking me, oh, should I take market order? No, you can get your trades executed immediately when you do the simple trick. Just understand it. You want immediately, you got to choose a higher price. Don't choose the center price because it's not going to execute immediately, except it's BTC USDT to always, it's always flipping and flopping because of the velocity, so it definitely will execute faster, right? But if there are other trades that you want to take, maybe like different pairs, you have to choose a higher price. That is the first red. This first red that is saying 3657276 and all of that, that is the first red I'm referring to. Okay, now if you want to buy, now if you want to sell, okay, and you're looking at it and you're seeing that you're sitting in the queue and you want to sell immediately, you got to choose the first green, this one that says 36598. That is the first green. So remember, you want to buy the first red, you're going to pick that. That's going to be a slightly higher price, and you must do all the simulations to be sure you're going to make money. Sell immediately and instantly, you need to pick the first green. So I wanted you to understand the concept of the order book, because that's very key for you to understand. Whether you're doing spot trading, you're doing inter-exchange arbitrage, you're doing triangular arbitrage, these are the same steps. These are the things you must take note of. Okay, now let's delve deep into spot trading. What are the things we must take note of before we place a trade? First off, if I take you to, and I'm going to probably just place a trade as I'm doing this tutorial so that you will understand what I'm saying. You go to gainers, because I love to use gainers. I don't use losers anymore. New listings, I still use it once in a while, but I'd rather just stick with gainers. You always like to stick with what works, right? Very key. So you can expand it. Now, because BTC has just gone through a slight dump right now, most of the prices will be falling, but that's not a problem. We'll definitely be able to get one of the trades. Now, look at this. We can see that the topmost one has risen like plus 68% within the last 24 hours, right? That should be Badger, I think. Yeah, Badger is $4.86. Now, look at it. If I click on it, you can see what's going on here. Now, you can see how this run all the past 10 hours has been going up, just because BTC has also been going up, right? Then after a while, the last 3-4 hours, it had a dump and then it's back up again and just going up and down, flipping and flopping. But currently right now, if you take a good look, we have the parabolic stars underneath. Now, what are the things we have to look at? First off, like I always tell you, you have to choose coins that have a propensity to increase, to go up, okay? Not just because you're picking a coin that's already on the ground, no, and that it might likely go up. No, that is a probability. We're talking about propensity. Propensity is different from probability, okay? Propensity means that it has a likelihood. It's more in the positive that this will rise up. Remember, if you heard what I just said, please just type in the comments propensity. Propensity means that it is likely to increase more than a probability, okay? So it definitely has that opportunity and it looks like it's going to increase. Now look at this. One of the things that gave us a sign that this would increase is when you have the, the parabolic stars underneath. Not on top, because on top means that it's already going down in the momentum direction downwards. You don't want that, okay? You want to be sure that you're taking the steps up and that you're following that steps. Very, very key, very, very important, okay? So now this has a propensity to increase. Yes, it looks like it has a pullback moment, because anytime, that is how trading is, right? Anytime it rises up, it definitely must have a pullback. Remember that everything that goes up must come down at some point and then it will go back up again. Remember that that is the pattern of trading. It's never a straight line. Never a straight line, okay? So now that we've looked at that, now you can see it's having a pullback moment. Will I choose this trade for now? Because I don't know how long the pullback moment is going to be. I'm going to have to come back. So I wouldn't take this trade because, number one, even though the parabolic stars are going up, I wouldn't take the trade because right now it's in the pullback season. So until I see it's in pump mode, because that's another thing you must consider, pump mode. The pump mode is very important. That means that it's actually leveled and it's in a green candle and it is stopping it and increasing it at that same point. That is what I call pump mode, okay? So this is what I call a pullback season. So you have to wait it out, okay? So I hope that is on. If you have any questions about what I'm sharing, I'm just trying to answer the question on what are the things we need to look out for before we take any trades. I don't want to do anything above your heads. I want to make sure you understand every single thing I'm doing, right? So that you can also replicate the same. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so let me go ahead. So first off, like I said, the parabolic stars has to be underneath. We've seen that. Then it must be in pump mode. So even though the parabolic stars has been met, it's not in pump mode. All right, so those are the two things. Then of course the third thing is that you have to look at the RSI. RSI has to be less than 70. Probably even if it's in 70s, it shouldn't be up to 75. Max 72, 73. But this is a good one, but because I'm going to strike it out right now, not totally, but like I'll have to come back to it because it's in a pullback season. So when you see that one of those three is not checked, you have to go and look for another one, okay? Now there are some other complicated things that people will tell you about the depth of the market and all of those, and you go to coin market cap and you check. No, I'm trying to make this simple for you, okay? And if you feel this is simple enough, just give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in the comments. Let me know that it's simple enough for you to understand. And if you're finding it difficult, let me know. All right. So let's go to another thing that we need to look at. Now, after you've seen all these three things, these first three things are for you to even decide or consider whether you're going to take this trade or not. After you've seen that all three are good, what do you do next? You look at the volume. Look at the volume, the 24-hour high, where you go to where it was the max place it went to in the last 24 hours, right? Then you look at the low, right? But we're more concerned about the high because whatever we're doing, if it hit that place, it should be able to hit it or at least somewhere close to it, okay? Then, of course, for liquidity, you need to check the volume, what is being traded. As you can see here, we have 120 million USDT. That shows that there's a lot of liquidity in this pair, right? So because there's a lot of liquidity in this pair, you shouldn't get stuck. Okay, so I think we've been able to get it, right? So before you take your trades, ensure these first three things are there, then check the volume, check the maximum it went to in the past 24 hours. Very, very important, okay? Now, so the next stuff is like, as I've told you, we're going to gain us. So now I hope that's very clear, because now we're going to start taking our trades live. Are you ready? If you are ready, Say yes in the comments. Yes, I'm ready to take my trades. Are you ready to make money along with me? You should be. So let's get started. Okay. Let's look at ASTR. We'll pick up everything with that. Okay. So pick up everything. So we're going to pick that up. So then we copy it. Copy. Is it copy or cut? Okay. So where did it get to? Oh my God. This is what? Where did it get to? Got to 530. Oh. Okay. Let's see whether if we put in 530, it's going to give us what we're looking for. All right. Not bad. Okay. So let's just go ahead and buy. Want to go? Let's see. In the queue as usual. Let's just check the higher price. Don't have a choice though. So let's check the higher price and buy or bought. Okay. So we bought it. Let's sell. What's the highest? 530. Okay. So we don't have to do the, see, let's just put 28. Let's see. 52. Let's see what 52 will give us. No, just 1%. No. 528. Okay. Okay. 525. I think that will be good. All right. 525. Alrighty. Good. Target of 2%, and then we're good. On to go. So we're currently in the queue right now. Let's wait and see that this will go up. ASTR, you should go up. Yeah. 5T what? 52 what? 525. All right. ASTR. Let's see how it's actually a 526. So that means it's going up. Yeah, it's been a favorable. Oh yeah, it's been a favorable one. So it's really good. How long did this trade take? Let's see. Let's go and check in the order in the trade history. I always love to do that because you don't keep all these things in your brain, and since you weren't awake when all of these were happening, you have to come back and check what happened. So ASTR, let's look at where ASTR this is okay. All right, so that's 430 to what? Let's see. Let's check it up. 4:30 to 7:15. So about, I would say about 2.5 hours. Yeah, because from 4:30 to 7:18, it was 4:30 to 7:30. That's 3 hours. So that's just about 2.5 hours plus. Not bad at all for a trade that took us like about 2.5 hours. That's good. That's okay. And we made $1. We made 2%. Please don't forget. It's not because we made $1. We actually made 2% profit. Okay. So if this was $1,000 that you're using, 2% means you'll make $2 over it, right? I guess so. No, $20. Come on. If you're doing $100, you make $2. If you're doing $1,000, you'll make $20. Okay. That's just the calculation of the mathematics. Yeah. So right now we made 87 cents over ASTR. Awesome. Can you just see that juicy profit I'm about to ship out? Okay, so we're going to ship out a profit right about in a few moments. Okay, so ASTR, you did well. Good one. Good job. Thumbs up to you. All righty. SLT, let's see which one. Oh my God, this one is going up. Let's try this one. SLT. Is this salt? I don't know, but this is going up.
So since it's going up, I want to try this out. Let's pick it. All right, so let's copy that. Copy. Then where did it go to in the last? Oh no, we have to create that. It's actually pumping. It's actually pumping. Let's go and buy. There's no need of too much discussion. Let's just go ahead. Too much discussion. Let's buy this. Let's see. Oh, did we get it bought? Oh, I think we did. I think we bought it because this is going up, right? It's going up. So what we just need to do is now to pick up the entire thing, but we are going to have to create a new level for it. Let's put 3. Let's see how much. 34 cents. No way. 3.5. You know our target. No. What is it? Oh, what am I saying? I didn't even check what I was doing. 3 is even supposed to be like even a lot. Yeah. 50, that's 34 cents. No. So maybe 3.1 is gonna cut it. I don't know. Maybe 3.1. Let's check 3.1. 2%. No, that's even 4%. Maybe 3.05. Let's see what that is gonna give us. $1.18. I'm willing to do that. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's put that in the queue. And let's see whether this is actually gonna do what it says it's gonna do. Okay? You know how I drill. You know our drill. Once there's profit, I'm back. Okay? And probably would have even, sold off. Because just look at it. Look at the parabolic SARS. The parabolic SARS is just at number 4. Oh my God. Oh no. It's going back up. It's going back up. Wait a second. I saw it go down now and someone just bought again. Well, let's wait and see. We're currently in the queue. Let's see how this is going to go for SLT. Okay? SLT, you got to do us well, right? You got to do us well. You got to do us good. Just like the way Colt did. Okay? Colt was good. So let's see how SLT is going to do. Okay? So we're on SLT round at this point. We'll come back and check you out. Okay? Wait a second. Oh. No, we're still in the queue. We're doing SLT. SLT, how much did we buy it as? I think we bought SLT at, what was the price? Let's see, the price was $298. Okay, and what are we supposed to get out of here? We were supposed to, what's it now? $299. It's going up. It's going up. We'll be back to check you out. Okay, so what's going on in SLT? SLT, we're still waiting. We are still waiting in the queue for SLT. Let's check what's going on in the charts. We're supposed to sell this at 0.0000305. Oh, it looks like it's gonna get there. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, did it get there? It got to 3. Oh, it's gonna get to the. We're still looking. Oh, I should have done this at 3, but that's fine. It's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it, right? All we just have to do is just wait for it. The parabolic SARS is still pushing up. As you can see, that. Can you see that the parabolic SARS is still pushing up? Let's just keep our fingers crossed, and let's wait for SLT to do us good. All right. My God, SLT has executed, and see what we have. $1.18. I just had to come back and tell you guys, this is beautiful. I tell you, making money isn't hard. Let's go check what's going on in the trade history. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. As you can tell, I always love to make money, especially on Mexi where you don't even pay any fees. You can see here, the fees are totally zero. You can see total fees equals to $0 Oh my God, this is beautiful. We have $1.18 and it's all ours. Nobody's sharing this money with us. Of course, when you want to transfer your money, that's when you're going to have to pay them fees. But at least you can see here we've made $1.18. And that is, let's go check. How much is that? Let's see what that is in our calculator. Okay, that's going to be $50 times. I know it's more than 2%. 2.3. Is that 2.3? Okay, maybe 2.36. Yeah. 2.36% is $1.18. So this is awesome. This is beautiful. Awesome. I love this. I love it when we make money. And I was telling you I was going out and I just suddenly had to rush back. I had to rush back and come and do this video before going anywhere, because I tell you, making money isn't hard. Okay, as you can see, making money is easy. So you know my favorite part, right? My favorite part is shipping out the profit. Okay, let's transfer that very quickly. We'll send that to fiat. All right, and then we put everything here and cut away the 5, and then all we just have to do is transfer it. Sweet, that's it. Transfer it. Already transferred, and we get back, and then we have our $50. Okay, well, don't mind a little extra change there, but that's fine. Hello and welcome to Income Strategy, is the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Oh yes. Okay, so we're going to be doing some spot trading, analysis and looking at trades. So you know where I love to go to, right? I love to go to gainers, right? So I'm going to be clicking on gainers. So let's view everything and let's quickly run. You can see what we have here. We have MEM. I think, oh wow, 23,000. Oh my God, see what's going on here. I think this one just came out. This one just came out. Oh my God. Do we think we want to take this? It's still in an up price, but you look at it. I'm not sure I want to do this. I'm not sure. Guys, I think for now I'm gonna step out of it. Okay, RSR, let's see you. Let's see whether you're gonna give us something. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna try this RSR. Look at it. Look at RSR. Let's check what is the RSI for RSR. I think it's 60, and it looks like it's in pump. But let's go with RSR. RSR, here we come. All right, so we got $200 here. Let's go. So let's do this $50 and check it out. That's let's copy it, and then when we cut that, we will check where was the highest it went to. Right now, what was the highest? Come on, let's move with speed. It went to 2268. So let's go check it out. 2268. Let's check it out. 2268. We're going to sell 2268. Let's see where it's going. 2268. So let's put that in here and see how much we get. 46 cents, not up to 1%. All right, so my target is always at least 2%, right? I could do even a 3%, but for now, let's work with that. So if I go it was 22, what was that? 2268. I can go with 227 and see what that will give me, right? Let's go with 227. Let's go with 227, and I want to see whether that's going to make a difference. Okay, 227, 1%. What about 228? What's 228 going to give me? Or 229? Let's see. Okay, about 2%. That means if I do 223 or 22, what am I saying? 223. If I do 23, what's that going to give me? Would I go with that? $1.17. Does this have a propensity to push up? Looks like it does. So let's go with 229. Okay, I'll try that 229 one more time and see. 229, what's that going to give me? 95. So I'll do 229. 229 will be good for now. Okay, so let's go with it. So what we're doing is that we're buying $50. Okay, and we're doing that outrightly. Let's buy. Can't we? Oh, where it's currently in the queue. Part of it has been bought. Oh, beautiful, awesome, quick like that. That means what happened? That means for it to get bought, what happened? It went down a bit. That's what it meant. But anyways, we're good. We're still on the trail. Let's go for sell. Okay, we're going for sell. Let's see. We said 229. Let's see what 229 is giving us. Okay, 229 is giving us 92 cents. Now, okay, of course, because fees have been taken. I'm thinking of making this 2.3. Should I make this 2.3? $1.15. Let's make this 2.23. I mean, why not? Let's make this 2.23. Why not if not? I don't mind an extra little change on it. Let's go with it. But like I always tell you, if it's going up in pump mode and there's money to be made, even if it's just 1%, I'm coming for it and I'm cashing out. Okay, so we've done RSR. RSR is currently in the queue. Let's go over and see how many more we can choose from. Oh, it's going down though. Going down though. Going down. But is it going up? Is it going up? Looks like it's going up. How much did we buy it? How much did we buy it? Come on. How much did we buy it? We got it 2246. What do we have here? 2249. It's money to be made, but right now it's still small. So it's going up. That's the most important thing you need to be happy about, right? So we're good. We've made a good decision. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. RSR, please. I hope you're good. Let's check RSR. Let's check RSR. Okay. It's still working. 2262. Where did it get to? What was our target? Our target is 23. Okay, still. How much did we buy it as? We bought it as, that was, let's see, RSR. We bought it as 2246. 2246, so it's still going down. 2246. Well, there's money to be made. Let's see. Let's just check it out. There's money to be made. We're currently in profit, right? So let's just see. Oh, we've made 28 cents. We're good. But for now, I still have my target, right, of 2%, but we're in profit. You can see that money making is not hard, okay? We have made 28 cents already. It's less than a percent. That's like half a percent, but don't forget, we have our target, we have our heart, we have our mind on where our target is. So I'm very sure it's gonna make it, right? Because you can see that even in the chart, see where it is. It got to 2279. It's going on its way to 223. So no problem. I think it was 223 we put it as, right? I think it was 223. Let's check it out. I think it was 223. 223. What am I saying? Was it? Oh, sorry, it was 23. It was 23, sorry. I think it was 23 that we put it as. 23. 23. Yeah, it was 23. It was 23. Let's get back into that place. Come on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back to continue the trades. God bless you. See you shortly. RSR, money has been made. Can you see this? Yeah, money has been made. Let's go back and see. Yeah, so we have $1.70. So it was $1, but it was $1 profit in rows, and now we have 70 cents. Beautiful. Hello and welcome to Income Strategy, is the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Oh yes. So you know where I love to go to, right? I love to go to Gainers, right? So I'm gonna be clicking on Gainers. Rose, I think we're supposed to check on Rose. Rose looks good. Let me see the RSI. 72, not bad, and it's still going. It's like, oh my god, this is in pump mode. Let's move it, baby. Let's move it. So let's put in 50. Let's put in $50 and copy that, right? Let's copy it. I'll cut it out, and then let's see, where did it rise to? It rose all the way to 6270, 6273. That's where it rose up. Let's go check. Can this work for us? 6273. Am I right? 6273. Let's put 6273 and put that in there and see. Oh my god, 1%, but I wanted more than that. Oh, what about 628? Let's see. Oh, no. 63. What about 63? Oh, still not good. 635. Okay, fine. 635 it is. 635 it is. Okay, let's go back and see what's happening in the queue. What's happening? Oh, it's in pump mode. Let's go with it. And everything looks good. Everything. Let's check one more time just to be sure. You gotta be careful. I'm checking it. It's good. Let's put $50 in there, right? And then we go with the buy. Did we buy it? Did we buy it? It bought. Oh yes, beautiful. I love it when it buys immediately. Okay, so it bought immediately. I think I was 6235. I don't know, 6235. I don't know. Was that it?
No, that was not it. I was okay. Where did he go to? It went to 6273. So I think it was 635. Yeah, 635. Still in, what is it? Still in pump mode. Okay, let's go. Let's not waste time. So we're gonna put 662. Is it 635? 635. Pick it all up. That's $1.06. Good enough. Good enough. Let's go in the queue. All right. So we've got. Oh my God. Can you see? We've got Rose in the queue. Oh, Rose is going down a little bit. No problems, but I think it's going back up. Okay. Good. So we have Rose in the queue as we speak, right? Rose, let's check Rose. Rose, are you rising? Please rise, please. Oh my God, it went down a bit. It went down a bit, but no problems. What did we even buy it as? Rose, what did we buy you as? I'm trying to check trade history. Rose, I want to check. We bought it 621. So, oh yes, not yet. Money's not ready to be made yet, but very soon you can see it's still in its own flipping and flopping. It's still going up. No problem. Where are we here? It's 70. It's still good. We'll come back and check you out. Okay. All right. So Rose is currently in a pullback moment. So let's see how that goes. Executed. It has. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it. See, it has executed. Let's see how much we bought it. What do we have here? We bought Rose at 621 and we sold it at 635 and we made $1. Come and see. That's awesome. Awesome and beautiful. Hello and welcome to Income Strategy, is the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Oh yes. So you know where I love to go to, right? I love to go to Gainers, right? So I'm gonna be clicking on Gainers. Let's go for FLM and see which one is gonna work and how soon it's gonna work. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Let's go for this. FLM, I'm here for you. Let's quickly do a quick simulation of $50, right? And then we see how much we can get. We can get 591. Let's cut that out. Where did it go highest to? It got up to where? 846. Good. So let's go and see. We definitely will have to break grounds beyond that. Let's go to 885 and see. Let's place that in there. Oh, what's come on? What's that? 86. Let's go to 86 then. 86. Come on. Let's see. Okay. Closer to what I want. 862. What about 862? Let's put that there. I just wanted to get to, no, I'll put 865. I'm going to put 865. Yeah, 865 is the sweet spot. 865. I'm going to go with it, but let me see what's going on in the queue before, in the charts. Still good, still good, still good. So I'm going to put in $50. Don't forget 865. We'll get back to that. So we're going to have to, let's see. Let's go back and we're putting $50 in here and we're buying. Let's go for that. Did we get it bought? I think we did. I think we bought it. Beautiful. So 865. So we're going to sell now. 86. Was it 865? Let me check one more time. This is, let me check what we have here. It ran up to 846. Okay. 846. So I'm doing 846. I'm definitely going to do more than that. I think it was 865? I think it was 865. Let's just pick up 100%. Yeah. That was, oh, that's even more. That's that's the 86. That's the 86. What would that do? 861. Okay. Oh, it wasn't 861. It was, let's put 863. Okay, that's just a little over $1. Don't forget our target is 2%. All right, so 862. 862. Then let's put up 100%. No, I think it was 863. What am I doing? Come on. It was 863. Yeah. It was just a little, oh yeah, I think that's good. So we go with it. We go straight into the queue. Beautiful. So we're going to be seeing how this pans out, right? So we've picked up FLM and it looks like, you know, all the parameters are good. Let's hope it works for us. The parabolic SARS is pushing up. Let me put this down. Okay, so we've done FLM. It's going up. Look at it. This is beautiful. It's going up. Oh my God, this is beautiful. It's going up. All right. FLM has executed. Hallelujah. Oh God, I'm so excited. Like I told you, making money isn't hard. Okay. You just got to know the different things you need to do
to make this money. Okay, let's go and check inside of the trade history so that we can know what exactly happened. This happened while I was sleeping, of course. You know how I love to make money while I'm sleeping. You wake up to the money. That's the beautiful thing. Okay, so we have FLM. It got sold in 2 batches. It got sold as $42.48, and then the second one got sold at, I think it was like 8 cents. Come on, what's making this slow? Come on. It got sold at $8.63. Okay, so we got it sold in 2 batches. We got it sold, first batch was $42.45. The other one was $8.63. Okay, and when you put all of that together, that's like about $1.11. And then, of course, don't forget that this was in 2 trades, so that means it's going to charge me 10 cents. That's 5 cents here and 5 cents there. Okay, so that's like about $1. 2%, don't forget, and that's why I wanted it to be slightly higher than 2%, so that we can take care of the fees. Okay, so that's it. Let's go check what's happening to, oh, come on, I was wondering. Yeah, let's go check what's happening to the chart so that we can see what's happening. This happened like about how many hours ago? Yeah, see it like about 3 hours ago. Yeah, that was probably approximately like about if I check how long that took, maybe this trade must have taken like about altogether. Let's go check. I love to see the timing so that we can have an idea, because I got people asking me the questions. How long does it take to execute? Well, you check the time that we bought it. We bought FLM. I think we bought it, and let me check the time. That was at 1947, which was like about 7:47 p.m., almost 8 o'clock. And then it got sold when, let's see how long that took. It got sold at 5:47. So if you look at it, that's like about how many hours? 10 hours. It's 10 hours. This trade took 10 hours. Okay. Of course, 5 hours out of it was sleeping. Okay. So that's it. So that is fully done. FLM, you're executed. We made 2% on you, right? That's $1. Okay. Which one is ORN? 70 cents. Okay. This is one looks like it's good. Looks like it's good. Let's check ORN out. Let's pick up entire thing. But it's expensive, right? 71 pieces only. Let me just cut and see where to go to in the last 24 hours. 73, 79. Okay, let's put it in sell. 73, 79. Let's put 73, 79. I know that's going to be outrageous, really. I know. I said it's just going to be much more, like about 6%. I understand. But for now, no. What we need is just for it to, let's just even say 7.2 or 7.1. What's 7.1? Let's see how much 7.1 is going to give us. About 1%. Yeah. So about 1%. Yeah. Let me put 7.2 and see what that will give me. Or 7.15. And let me see what that will give me. Should just be fine. Yeah, just be fine. You can see that I'm increasing the percentage. It's more than 2%, like about 2.25, because I want to be able to cover for, oh my God, it's going up. It is going up. Let's not waste time. Let's not waste time. Pick up everything and then buy. Come on. Are we bought it? I think we did. Let's go sell it. That would be 7.15. Let's see what that's going to give us. No, it's not as good. Let's make it 6. Okay, just make 2%. So that will be 7. Let me even see what 7.2 will give us. I know that's going to be a lot. Although I don't mind it. Let's go for it. Come on, let's go for it. Like I always tell you, we don't necessarily have to get there, right? And this is going to hit it. It looks like it's going to hit it very fast. Look at it. It's going to hit it. Okay. So ORN, you're currently in the queue. We'll come back to check you out. Okay. How much did I buy ORN? Let's check you out. How much did I buy you? 7029. Looks like there's money to be made. 7059. I'm going to check you out. I'm going to cancel you and see whether there's money to be made. I mean, let's check you out. Come on. Let's check you out. If there's money to be made.
Wow, there's money to be made. There's money to be made, but I don't think I want to cash out now. We're already in profit. You can see this. ORN. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh yeah, it went up like in 2 seconds. I saw it go up. I saw it go up. It went to 70. Wow. Anyways, what did we put it as? I think it was 7.2, right? Let's put it as 7.2 and let it go back into the queue. Is it 7.2? I think it was 7165, I guess. 7165. Yeah, this was it. Is this it? Am I sure it is? I think it was more than that. I think it was more. Let's check. 766. Because anyway, this is 2%, so it's okay. Let's put 7.2. What was it? 717. Let me see what that will give me. Okay, it went down a bit now, but let's go for 717. Let's see. What is that going to give us? Let's see. It's struggling though. Let's wait and see for it. I think I put a higher sell limit. Anyways, we'll see what it's going to give us. Okay, we'll be back to check you out. If there's anything that's happening in you, we'll come back and check you out. Okay. ORN. Yeah. ORN is still trying to make money. How much did we buy ORN? I can't even remember. What was it? What was our target? ORN. How much did we buy it? ORN. Let's check ORN. What's going on? Okay. ORN 70.29. Oh, not yet. Not yet there. Still trying to get high and move on with momentum, but it's good. Still good. ORN has executed. I just had it come back. Oh my God. It has executed. That means this thing could have gone up to 3%. Look at it. It's currently at 7174. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the trade history. Come on. It just ran all along. I mean, see what our target was. Our target was 716. And currently it's at what? 7174. What am I saying? It's at 7191. Oh my God. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. So ORN has executed. Hope you love that. I love that. Look at it. Let's look at how much we've been able to make. This is $51, which is 2% exactly. Can you see that? Because see, it was $1.06. I think let's go check exactly how much it gave us. Probably like $1.12 or something like that. You can see it gave us, it gave us, it actually gave us $51.05. So we actually just made $1, right? Which is 2%. Now don't forget little bits and pieces of, trade monies were left. So that's the reason why we have the 6 cents that is here. But really what we have is just $1. I wanted you people to see this live and make money along with me as I'm making money. Okay. Now this is conservative making of money, right? It's not like as if I'm putting 5% or 7% or 10%. I mean, you can be adventurous and do that if you want to, but because I want to get this trades executed and I get into another one, like I'm going to get into another one right away after I ship out the profit. Okay. So look at it. So we've made $1 here and I'm going to ship out the profit now. So ORN, you did good. So let's go ahead and ship out the profit. Okay, let's do that. That's transfer. So we'll just put on the max and just ship out the profit. Yeah, just quickly do that quickly so we can be back with our trading fee or trading capital. Okay, so but before I go ahead and place any trade, I saw it looked like ARB was getting ready. Oh my God, look at ARB. ARB looks like it's going up. Oh no, I don't think it's ready. I don't think it's ripe. We can't make money with this. Let's see. How much did we buy it as? We bought it at 2004. But it might look like there's some money to be made here. Let me just check it out.
How much is the target? 231. We'll go back in there. If it's not, if there's no profit to be made, we'll go back in there, right? So let's go see whether any profit is 16 cents. Nah, that's 231. So no problem. Put it back in 231.